right. When I move under the sound, you're going to say it and keep on saying it as long as I touch under it. So think, get ready. Good job saying ah. All right, you're going to do it again. Get ready. Good. Ah. One more time. Get ready. Yes. Ah. Nice job saying our sound today. All right, time to do what the picture shows. So right now your hand should be in your lap because my hand is at the first ball. When my hand moves over under this picture, you're going to do what? Yeah, open your mouth. Don't say anything, just open your mouth. And then when I come back, put your hands back in your lap. Okay, get ready. Good job. Yes, try it again. Get ready. Nice job. All right, new game. Okay, this time your hand should be back in your lap. Okay, when I put my hand under this picture, what should you do? Touch your nose, and you're going to hold it without saying anything until I move to the next picture. And then what are you going to do? Touch your ear. Hold that until I come back, and then where should your hands be? In your lap. All right, get ready. Nice. Try it again. Get ready. Good job playing our game today. Look, guys, we have a new sound today. I'm going to say it first. So when I move the hand under the sound, I'm going to say the sound, and I'm going to hold it until I pop the hand back. My turn. Get ready, Mrs. Williams. Get ready again, Mrs. Williams. Nice job, Mrs. Williams. Do it one more time, Mrs. Williams. Get ready. All right, your turn to say that same sound. This time, make sure your mouth, your lips are closed when you're saying the sound the whole time. Get ready. Good job saying Your turn again. Get ready. Nice job saying